We'll start with the problem. So question goes like this. The following data is furnished by Hypothetical Leasing Limited. Investment cost rupees 500 lakh. Primary leasing term 5 years. Estimated residual value after primary period is nil. Pre-tax required rate of return is 24%. HLL seeks your help in determining the annual lease rental under the following rental structure. First one is if the rental structure is equated. Second one is if the rental structure is step, that is annual increase of 15%. Third one is balloon, that is annual rental of rupees 80 lakh for 1 to 4 years. And lastly deferred, in bracket write 2 years deferred period. Lastly, you are required to calculate the relevant annual rental. This is the question. Hope question is clear to all of you. So the question is basically what they have given. They have given the investment cost. What is the investment cost? 500 lakhs. Is it clear? Okay. And even what they have given, the primary lease period. Like they have given lease for primary period is for 5 years, and after the end of the 5th year, the salvage value is nil. What they mentioned it. Okay. The pre-tax required return is 24%. Before tax, the required return is 24%. HLL seeks your advice or help in determining the lease rental under the following rental structure. They have different rental structure. Each structure they are asking your help in determining what is the amount of lease. Okay. So they have given 4 important things here. What are these 4 important things? First one is if it is equated. If it is equated. So what do you equated? Every year they will be having a same rental. So that's what we call equated. Second one is, what is second thing what they are saying? So it is stepped up. That is every year there is a growth of rental in 15%. Correct? Third one what they are saying is balloon. So they are saying balloon wherein a balloon period is 1 to 4 years. They are going to pay 80 lakhs. Okay. And lastly, it is deferred. Deferred, what they are given information? 2 year defer periods. Okay. So with this information, you are required to calculate lease rental for during the different rental structure. Okay. So here basically, probably you are aware of what is equated stands for. Equate means so same rental will be there for all the years. Same rental if it is there for all the years, we call it as an equated. Correct? Second thing is stepped up, no? So stepped up in the sense that so every year there is a increment in the rental. How much increment? 15%. That they have. So normally you know the rental, how you give a house for rental and all this, you know, every 3 years once, 2 years once, every year there will be an increase in the rent. That's what we call incremental. Then balloon, the different kind of thing. So balloon is, so every year we are going to say same amount, but last year we are going to get a momentum of, so a bigger amount we are going to pay a lease amount. Those kind of rental structure we call it a balloon. That means, so almost last year, last period of the rental agreement, so normally we have larger amount of payment. Those kind of rental structures we call it as a balloon payment. So whereas in last case, what they have said is, it is deferred. That is, first 2 periods there is no rental as such, so only they have to pay rental for the next 3 years. So those kind of things we call that as a deferred period they mentioned. The first 2 years is deferred. So whatever they mentioned, we have to go with it. Okay. So first 2 years there is no rental, and rental will start only from the 3rd year. Okay. So these are the 4 things they asked. So we'll start a discussion one by one. What is the first one? So we'll start with the first one. That is equated. So what is equated stands for? As you know, equated means every year we are going to pay same amount. Okay. In this case, Y is the investment. Okay. PVIF is the factor value. Correct. So already you know that. So what is the investment? Investment is how much? Yeah. Sorry, can you come back?
They can't see
Who? Okay. For them, I think they have to have one more. No? Yes. Yeah, please can help me out in that. Anyone? Be first. Till that time, I'll pass. Be first. Be first, no? Who is doing? What's happening? Come first, what's the problem? Whoever is good in technology, just do it quickly. We should not waste time in this. What's happening there? You're coming there. Yeah, so we'll come back. Those are online, I think now we're able to see the board. Still you're not able to see? You have to pin?
Yes, sir, I have it.
Yes, yeah, they are doing, just a scan. You able to see now?
Yes, sir, we are showing.
Manisha just checks, now it's available here. Because no, this is Vinay, this is Shruti. Shruti is here, right? Now I think everybody can able to see. That I think you rotate it, I guess. You have to rotate it, seems. Rest all getting, so Manisha, you have to rotate your screen, I guess. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Getting? So I think here students are getting, so Manisha, I think you have to rotate your screen. Any rotation options are there?
You should lock the screen, sir. Then it will be correct, sir.
Sorry?
You should lock the screen, sir.
Yeah. Manisha, you have to lock the screen. Hope you're getting, all of you? Okay, so we'll move to the problem. So investment is 500 lakh and PVFA is 24 years, 24% and 5 years. Hope you have the question, Manisha. Those are online. Okay. So now, first we are talking about the equated annual rental. Equated annual rental, you know how to calculate. What is the formula to calculate? Cost divided by. But here already we have discussed several times. What is the formula? We discussed on the first problem itself. If you do like this, you know, what has to come and help you? Cost of investment divided by
1 minus tax.
So what is cost divided by? So you have to take 24%, 5 years. How much it is? %, 5 years. Just quickly do it. Cost investment is 500 lakhs divided by 24 years and 5%. You should see annual table. 2 point. Don't say wrong answer. I'm going to depend on your answers. Okay. 2.745. So what's the answer? 500 divided by 2.745. 182 point. Sorry. 15 lakhs. Correct. So what is the rental? Every year we have to pay 182.15 lakhs. Is that clear to all of you? First question. Equated annual rental. All of you clear? Okay. So next, those who are online, you are clear? Equated annual rental. Okay. So next you take the heading as stepped up annual rental. You are still taking? Yeah, take it. So next you take the heading as stepped up annual rental. Course students, you have got main class next session. For course students, you have main class, right? Advanced math. Finished? All of it taken? Shall I erase and shall I move to the next one? Second one is stepped up annual rental. Stepped up annual rental. So what is the information they have given in stepped up annual rental? Annual increase of rupees 15%. Annual increase of 15%. Okay. So then how to calculate this? So for this formula, what we will use is y is the rental amount, y into PV IF plus y into here 1.5 because there is an increase in 15%, correct? Next year. That is 1.15 into y into PV IF PVFA. So third year, what should we do? 1.15. What we should do? Square y into PVFA. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, third year we completed plus fourth year is 1.15 to the power cube y into PVIFA. Then lastly 1.15 whole to the power 4 y into PVIFA. Yes, just you Now keep on substituting the information for that. Here if I say, sorry, it's not PV. PV, first one, right? Okay. So here, I'll write here to for your inform y into 24% into 1 year, okay, plus 1.15 y into 24% into 2 years. It's not required, just for information I'm writing again. Okay, then plus 1.15 square y into 24% comma 3 years. The fourth one is what is that? 1.15 to the power 3 y into how much? 24 years, 24%, 4 years, and lastly 1.15 to the power 4 y into 24% into 5 years. Okay, just now substitute everything. Yes, do it quickly. Yes, those are online, so you have to calculate. Yeah, first one, how much we get y into first year? 24 into 1, how much we get? 24% 1 year. You should read 1 rupee table, not the annuity. Whenever you are reading the same for every year, then you will be seeing the annuity. Correct? Now, different amount for different years, it should be 1 rupee table. Yeah, 24 and 1 year, 24% 1 year. 0. 1 point will not come in. See, always you understand, when you calculate a 1 rupee table, you only have 1 point something, you get 0 point something. Okay, that's the commas you should have. How much 0 point? How much 0 point? 806. Okay, 806 plus 1.15 y into how much it is? 0.650. Is it right? 0.650. Okay. Then the third one, 1.15 square. How much it comes to? 1.15 square. Yeah. 1.32 y into you should check the 24 and 3 year. 0.524 plus then 1.5 cube. Sorry, 1.52. Okay, y into 24 4 years, 24% 4 years. 0. Okay, so then last one will take 1.14 to the power 4. 1.75. 75575. That's it. Okay, 1.75 y into 24 years, 24% is 5 years. 0.341. Sorry?
341.
Okay. Right? Now, what you should do is 0.806 y, this will write as it is, y into 0.806 plus 1.15 into 0.650. 1.15 into 0.650. 0.75 y. Then same thing, 1.3325 into 0.524. 1.3225 into 0.524. 0.6949 y. 6929 y. Then 1.521 into 0.423. 0.6434 y. And last one 1.75 into 0.341. 0.5968. Okay. So now you add all the y's. Sorry? 3.48? 64 or 65? Sorry? 486? 66. Y is equal to your investment is how much? 500. Okay? So now, therefore, y is how much? 500 divided by 3.4866. 143 point. No, 143 point. They are strict to two digits. This is the rental amount. If you go for stepped up rental, the rental what they are supposed to pay is 143.41 lakhs per year. Is that clear to all of you? That 143.41 first year they will pay, second year 15% of that, third year like that they will pay. Is that clear to all of you? So those are online, so you are clear about this stepped up. Then after a year onwards, increment, 15% of increment every year. Okay? Is that clear to all of you? Shall we move to the next one? Anybody has got any query? Just help me out. If anybody has got any chat box, anything you have mentioned online, those who are online, just you bring to my notice. Okay? If you don't have any query, I'll move to the next one. Camera.
No, for all.
Just ask them now. So blower, that board is blurred. I think we should ask camera quality again. So now ask them. So I have put near. I guess this sounds like this. Check it out. Those are online. Just check it back. Now are they able to see the board clearly? Can I do something? No, I don't think it's the issue with the network. Issue is with the clarity of the camera, I guess. You can put the front screen instead of back screen. Front screen if you put properly. Sorry? Camera? I don't think so. In there is no blur. How about now? What to do for the camera quality now? No, at least. Blur means I think you have to work out with the camera itself. I can't do anything here. Let me putting up the lights. Not checking it out. Is there any improvement in that? No improvements? Blur is nowhere connected to this adjustment. You have to feel
ಸರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡೆ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಅರ್ಧ ಕಾಣಿ just Vinayak, just close the door. Just close the door. Sorry? It's network issue. Network issue. Again, I can't solve this thing. I'm trying my level best to give the best solution, but I don't know. Now I think just see now. They have to come up with all this. Anything improvement? Mechanisms I can do, I have done everything. Do something here. Just take the next reading. Meanwhile, try to connect this one. So what you can do is you can draw the lease rental schedule. Okay. So you know what is first year lease rental? 143 point. How much you got? 41. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Just write the lease rental. So you can write the heading as lease rental year wise. Lease rental year wise you can write the heading and write first year it is 143.41, second year into 1.15, third year into 1.15, like that we do it. Calculate the lease rental. Step dot we calculate. No, we calculated. So for the first year we calculate. So now we calculate year wise. First year it is 143.41. Okay. Second year those are online calculate. First year it is 143.41. Second year again 15% increase in that. Third year whatever amount you get again multiply with 1.15. Done. Just now anybody check it out? Are they able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Now you are able to see this board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now all of you calculate that is stepped up rental. First year it is 143.41. Second year it is how much has to be? 164.91. Third year again?
184.
Yeah, I'll write that one. Lease rental year wise. Okay. So first year it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First year it is 143.41 lakh. Okay. Second year 143.41 into 1.15. How much comes to? Sorry? 164.92. The third year 164.92 into 1.15. 1. Then fourth year 2.
18, sir.
1. Okay. The last year 2. 83. So these are the lease rental for all the years. Okay. So now what we are calculating? We calculate the step down. Okay. That means every year we are going to pay. First, what we need to find out the base year lease rental. Once you found the base year lease rental, then what we did? So 143.41. So for example, for the second year 142.41. into 1.15. For third year is 164.92 into 1.15. Like that we have to calculate for rest of things. So this is stepped up. Okay. So next what they are asking? Balloon. So balloon rental is, so the name it says balloon rental. It is literally in the finance of what we use balloon rental stands for. So we are going to, normally we talk this one the lease rental. Okay. Whenever we pay a momentum or a bigger amount in the last year, okay, all the first 4 years are same, and the last year we are going to pay a huge amount. That particular kind of rental we call also balloon rental. Okay. So now in this case they have given first 4 year rentals they have given, right? What is the first 4 year rental?
80 lakhs, sir.
Yeah, I'll take a balloon rental. Okay. So in this case, what they have mentioned, in case of balloon rental, okay, annual rental of rupees 80 lakh for year 1 to 4. In case of balloon rental, what they said, annual rental of rupees how much? 80 lakh for the year 1 to 4. Fifth year is balloon period. Okay. So now, so we know for 1 to 4 years the same amount we are going to pay. When we pay same amount for 1 to 4 years, so how much? What to write? 80 lakhs, no? That 80 lakh is it right? 80 into PV IFA. What is the PV IFA? 24% for 4 years. Plus 5th year, we are going to pay some amount. I write Y into PV IF. That is 24% 5th year is equal to 500. Hope the statement is clear to all of you know. So 80 lakhs which we are going to pay for 1 to 4 years. That they are given problem. Okay. 5th year is the balloon period. That we have to calculate the balloon amount we have to calculate here. Okay. So 1 to 4 years what they mentioned, it is 80 lakhs. Correct? 80 lakhs which we are going to pay for 1 to 4 years. So because we are going to pay same amount for all the 4 years, which step we have to see? Whenever, yeah, very good. So whenever we see the same amount for multiple years, we have to refer the annual table. Okay. So now 80 into, what is that, 24% for 4 years? Yes, be first. 2.404. Okay. Plus Y we don't know. PVIF of 24% 5 years. How much comes to? 0. Again, don't check here annuity now. Because only 5th year we are receiving that amount, correct? What we should do? We should check the 1 rupee table. Whenever for only one period we are checking, we should use the 1 rupee table. And when you are using for multiple years same amount, then you should go with the annual table. Okay? 0.341 is equal to 500 lakhs. Okay? So now if you multiply how much we get, 80 into 2.404. 500 minus 192. Is it right? I have taken this left hand side to right hand side. Is that correct? So that plus is there. That if you go that side, it becomes minus. Okay. So now, so this amount comes to 192.42. This I have taken to this side. Okay. So now y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 500 minus 192.32. How much comes to? 500 minus 192.32. C0 7.68 divided by 0.341. Sorry? 9 This is a balloon number. That is all the year we are going to pay 80 lakhs for 1 to 4 years. Only the 5th year we are going to pay 9 of 2.29 lakhs. This is what we are going to call as a balloon. Next, what they do? Next, they are going to deferred lease rental. All of it clear? Balloon, all of it clear? What is balloon stands for? So we are going to pay bigger amount in the last year or last couple of years. Okay, those kind of calculations we call as balloon payments. Is that clear? So now the last thing is we have to calculate the deferred payment. Okay, what is the deferred stands for here? Deferred. That is basically we have been postponing the payment for couple of years. Here what they mentioned, we are going to postpone the payment for a period of 2 years. First 2 years we are not going to make any payment. The payment will start only for the 3rd year. Okay, so those kind of calculation we call the deferred payment. Okay, I think I said these 4. No, I think can calculate this one, last one, deferred payment, deferred lease rental. Just go back to the first calculation how we have done. Deferred, we are calculating the, what is the heading? Deferred lease rental. So we are calculating the last one, that is deferred lease rental. In case of deferred lease rental, they mentioned the 2 years deferred period. That means first 2 years we are not going to pay any rental. 3rd year onwards we pay the rental. For 3rd, 4th as well as 5th year going to pay the rental. Okay, it's very simple calculation. Very easy compared to a stepped up and balloon. What is that? What we are doing? We are not paying for the 2 years. Equated for 3rd, 4th and 5th. It may not be the same one. So what we do? We take the heading as deferred lease rental payment. Deferred period is 2 years. Okay. So now what to do? Y into PVIF plus again y into PVIF means which year we are taking here? 24%. Of course, there is no doubt in 24%. 24%. 3 year, 3rd year, right? First 2 years is the deferred period. 24 into 3 plus y into PVIF. What is it here? 24 into 4, then plus y into PVIF 24 into 5. Now the rest is you have to calculate. You have to fill the rest of the thing. I will skeleton to you. You have to put the muscles for that. So this is equal to how much we have? 500. So what is 24% in 3 years? How much?
0.524.
Y into 0.524 plus 24% 4 year? 0.4. Then 0.3 is equal to 500. Now calculate what is the value of y. How much total y? 1.288. Double it, right? Double it y is equal to 500. Therefore y is equal to 500 divided by 1.288. How much? 288 point. 388.2. This is the deferred lease rental. Okay. Yeah, 388.2. Yes, any query anybody has? No? Those are online? For yourself, there is no issue? Okay, fine. Okay. So we'll move to the next one. Just what is the time? Can you remind me? Yeah. Time up. So what we do? Rest problems. So let's avoid this confusion. I'll share the problems in advance so that you can have the photocopy of whatever you want. You can have it. So we'll come to the class. Okay. So we'll continue next session. Thank you all.